Hello, please pay close attention as I'm about to show you a revolutionary artificial intelligence-powered software that will help you create amazing mobile apps from any website URL in a matter of minutes, and which can be downloaded and used on any browser without having to go through any iOS or Android app store. Apps created with this unique software can be shared through social media, emails, text, and Q codes, and will work on any user device even when there is poor or no internet access. Yes, those are very bold claims, but I assure you, the software myself and my team have just unleashed can do everything claimed and more. My name is Leon Andrew, and I'm the Technical Director of Mobisoft 360 Inc., based in the USA. Our company has been behind some of the most successful software and game-changing business productivity tools released in the last 2 years, including Mobomatic, Social Daddy, ConvertProof, and Designa, just to name a few. After 7 months of serious research and hard work in our labs, we finally found the solution to some of the most vexing problems with most mobile app builders currently in use. But first, let me ask you a few questions. Are you tired of creating or dealing with mobile apps that won't work on all browsers, or which cannot be downloaded and used on any device without first going through the approval process and download hassles of iOS or Android app stores? Or maybe you're simply frustrated with the complicated technical skills required to create professional mobile apps for your business from your existing website without any technical skills. Or maybe you've been wishing for a simple-to-use mobile app builder that would let you create mobile apps that would load super fast and work on mobile devices even in poor or zero internet connection environment. If this sounds like you, then you're not alone, and we have just the solution you need. A lot of people like you have ended up frustrated while trying to create apps that can be downloaded and shared through phone, desktop, social media, email, and text, etc., without going through any app store because they have been relying on obsolete mobile app builders in a fast-moving technological environment. Truth is, software that worked great 6 months ago are often obsolete today when it comes to mobile apps and mobile marketing. Many have also unsuccessfully tried different types of mobile app builders to create apps that work when the user has poor internet connection and have wasted time and money in fruitless efforts to master the complicated rules of getting mobile apps approved in the app stores, especially iOS. Unfortunately, these efforts ended up leaving you without any real solutions because the technology that could help you eliminate those annoying problems or bring your mobile app wishes to life did not exist, or were not readily available to everyone at an affordable price. Until now. After working round the clock to solve this problem for months, our team of mobile app software developers have finally come up with a new generation mobile app builder that fixed all those problems, and which puts the power to build great mobile apps in the hands of anyone, regardless of their technical ability. I am super excited to introduce you to LiteApp Studio, the new generation mobile app builder for creating amazing progressive web apps. So, what exactly is LiteApp Studio? LiteApp Studio is the new AI-powered software that helps anyone create amazing apps from any website URL that can be downloaded and shared through phone, desktop, social media, email, and text without having to deal with all of the headaches of going through any app store. Just so you can get a better idea of how this new software is going to change the game for mobile apps, here are just a few things about LiteApp Studio that will help you build new, cutting-edge mobile progressive web apps, regardless of your technical experience. Number 1. You can now create progressive web apps in a matter of minutes using LiteApp Studio's new artificial intelligence dashboard. This is awesome, because now you can build amazing and high-converting apps from any website URL by answering some simple questions on the software dashboard. In other words, you no longer need any technical skills to build great mobile apps. Number 2. You can now create apps that are independent from app stores, which is a big help because it allows you to quickly create great mobile apps that can be downloaded and shared immediately through social media, texts, emails, and even Q codes, without going through the regular mobile app stores that often severely control what you can have or not have inside your mobile app. You will be essentially controlling your own destiny as to what you can include in your app, and your app will be ready to go as soon as it's ready. Number 3. Apps created with LiteApp Studio are device-independent with cross-platform capability. This is huge because LiteApp Studio web technology takes the operating system out of the process. This now allows you to create mobile apps that look, load, and perform the same way across all devices, including iPhones, Android phones, tablets, laptops, desktops, etc. Users of your LiteApp will enjoy the best experience on any device they choose to launch the app on. Number 4. Apps created with LiteApp Studio come with linkable social share, instant engagement, and easy accessibility from any device. This is a good thing because you can now generate traffic and sales effortlessly, since your mobile app can now be shared instantly on social media, email, text message, online ad, or link to a QR code. The user will be instantly immersed into your app as soon as they receive it. Number 5. LiteApp Studio apps are independent from internet connectivity or strength. This is great because LiteApp Studio is enhanced with new artificial intelligence technology that allows your apps to work offline or on low-quality networks. When launched from the user's home screen, our LiteApp Studio AI engine enables your mobile app to load instantly, regardless of the network strength or speed. Number 6. With LiteApp Studio, your apps are automatically updated and you can send unlimited push notifications as often as you like, and your users will receive it instantly on any browser they are using. And there's a whole lot more that you can do with the amazing LiteApp Studio. You can see the live demo of the LiteApp Studio below for a real-time glimpse of how easy it is to create great progressive web apps that work better than regular mobile native apps without any of the problems. Now, to be honest with you, you could probably pay expensive mobile app creators or combine different software with different features you need to achieve what LiteApp Studio will do for you in a matter of minutes. But you'd be looking at spending thousands of dollars and waste a lot of time as well during the development process. Save yourself some money, time, and the frustration today by getting the LiteApp Studio software right now while our special risk-free offer lasts. With LiteApp Studio, you too can start creating amazing apps from any website URL that can be downloaded and shared through phone, desktop, social media, email, and text, etc. in a matter of minutes without going through any app store. What's more, your apps will now work on your users' devices even when there is poor or no internet connection. And you can always send unlimited push and geo notifications that are instantly opened by your app users. Click the Buy button now to get your own copy of LiteApp Studio before the special deal expires. In fact, I am so sure this is the ultimate solution you need for creating your mobile apps that I've decided to make this a no-brainer decision for you. I'm going to sweeten the deal with some super bonuses. When you grab your copy of LiteApp Studio today, you'll also get some amazing bonuses worth over $1,997 completely free. But I should warn you, there is a catch on this sweet deal for securing your copy of LiteApp Studio. This offer will be closing soon, and the price of the software will be going up dramatically after this special promo is concluded. I know that puts a lot of pressure on you, so I'm going to make your decision extremely simple. You can grab LiteApp Studio today, try it out, and if for some reason you don't achieve the results I'm promising you today, you're covered by our 30-day unconditional money-back guarantee. So click the Buy button now and lock down your copy. I'm incredibly excited for you to jump in and get started. Talk to you soon.